Want to make your Instagram account private? Here's how you can do it. First, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. If not, update it from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Now, open the app on your phone. Now, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the Settings and Activity section. Scroll down to the section called Who Can See Your Content. Here, you'll find the Account Privacy option. Tap on it. Now, turn on the toggle next to Private Account, then tap Switch to Private on the pop-up screen to confirm. Once it's on, only your followers will be able to see your posts, stories, and reels. Anyone who wants to follow you will have to send a request first. And that's it. You've successfully made your Instagram account private. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Instagram tips.